the last video, we would have seen our character, we would have made a character slide while sprinting, okay? Yeah, but it had some defects, okay? He even starts to slide even if he collides in any wall, okay? We don't want that to happen, okay? In order to prevent that, yeah, let's start doing the necessity means in order to prevent that, okay? Yeah. First, we need to check whether the character is colliding or not. Okay. In order to do that, let us get into the slide location and rotation function. Okay. I need to create another output. Okay, which is going to be uh, start location. Okay, start location, which is just our actor's current location. Okay, current location before the animation montage of sliding starts to play. Okay. Now we'll go inside the event graph. Okay, I will just arrange it a bit. Okay, as you can see, I'll just get into the event graph. Okay, if the character is starting to slide. Okay, if the character is starting to slide, if these condition fulfills. Okay, we'll get the start and end location based on the distance. Okay, but we need to stop the sliding animation before the character if before the character hits the wall. Okay, in order to do that, I'll just add a function named sphere trace by channel. Sphere trace by channel. Okay, I'll add this. Okay, I'll just connect it over here. Okay, and for the start location, I'll give start location, and for end location, I'll give it over here, and for I'll give for duration debug duration, and for radius, I'll give a value of 5. Okay, now if I press play, you can see while sprinting. Okay, you can see the point of collision turning green. Okay, so that is the point of collision, and we need that point of collision. Okay, so in order to do that, okay, what I'm going to do is get in there. I'll just increase the radius. Okay, uh, maybe a value of uh, 20 maybe, because as you can see, our character's body is not completely covered. Okay, yeah, 20 is perfect. Okay, yeah, what I'm going to do is get in there, and after getting the spear trace, okay, value, uh, I'm going to add a branch. Okay, if the character hits, okay, if the character hits, okay, hits the wall, what I'm going to do is get this, put it over here. If the character hits the wall, we want to play reduce the distance by a bit. Okay, if the character doesn't hit, I can just paste it over here. Okay, that just it. Okay, now if I press play, uh, while colliding, he doesn't play the slide animation anymore. But if there isn't anything in front of him, he'll play the slide animation. Okay. Okay. Now, if he is hitting anything, we want there to be a new location, the new end location, because we don't want the character to slide past the wall. Okay, we want the character to stop right before the wall. Okay, in order to do that, I'll get a break hit results. Okay, break hit results, and I'll get get the point of impact. Okay, the point of impact is going to be our new end location. Okay, if the character hits. Okay, now I'll just copy this. I'll just duplicate it. Okay, I'll just duplicate it, which is Control D, by the way. I'll just duplicate that. Okay, the motion warping, add that. Okay, and for true, I will connect it. Okay, over there, and for the for the location, warp location, I'm just going to give the impact point. Okay, impact point, and for that's it. We don't want anything else from there, and then connect it back over here. Okay, now if I press play, if the character doesn't slide past the wall. Okay, he just ends his slide location right over there. But if there isn't any wall in front of him, he'll just play the full slide, okay, slide animation. Okay. Now, okay. as you guys could have seen, okay, even though he is sliding, he just impacts, there's a slight impact before the wall, okay. In order to fix in the next video, in the next video, what I'm going to do is if he hits the wall, I'm going to play a physical animation, okay, physical animation on reacting to the wall's hit, okay. Thank you for watching this video. This video is kind of short. I just wanted to fix that bug, the bug glitch which we faced in the previous video. Okay, guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe and like this video if you want any further content like this. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye. We will see you in the next video.